friends, today I'm going to unbox Video Maker top-down kit. I'm going to cut the cello tape first. Now I'm going to open the box very slowly and take out all the stuff inside the box. I have to be very careful. Oops! This is what comes inside the box. A heavy base. Two bars. And a ring light that is phone holder. Now let's see what other things comes in the box. Instruction booklet. Let me read the instructions first. The assembly looks easy enough, I guess. The box also has a lot of stickers. I love stickers. The box also has one plastic thingy. Some colorful mats. To put the Video Maker on top. Let's start assembling the kit. The bar is easy to fix and can rotate freely. The ring light can bend forward and backwards. And comes with a cable and on-off switch. The phone holder looks good. Let's connect the phone now. Turn on the ring light now. It can change brightness and colors. I like the blue color. Now, my Video Maker is ready. Woohoo! Goodbye, friends. See you in my next video.